An in-depth exploration of the chakras, the crown, Sahasara. The location of the seventh chakra is just above the top of the head, and the colour is purple or white. The related organs or glands are the upper brain and the pineal gland. The stones and crystals associated with this chakra are the amethyst, purple fluorite, selenite, and apahylite. The associated planet is Uranus. The chakra mantra, The direction of movement is anti-clockwise, and the corresponding element is thought. Life affirmations are: everything that is meant for me will come to me when the time is right. I let go of all control and surrender to what will be. I trust in the higher source to lead me on my chosen path. Everything that happens to me is for a reason. The governing attributes of this chakra are divine consciousness, cosmic clarity, and a higher source and self. The crown chakra, or Sahasara as it is known in Sanskrit, is the seventh and final major chakra and is masculine and connected to the third eye chakra below. This chakra vibrates at the highest frequency, connecting us to the spirit world and the other side of our consciousness. This is the place where our angels and guides reside, and if we have patience and focus, we can tune into this divine energy to manifest whatever it is we desire, simply by sending those positive thoughts out to the universe, then having faith that our prayers will be answered. The higher source is constantly sending messages to us through moving objects in our personal space at home, or through our dreams, noise, smell, and voices as examples. We just need to be open enough to accept whatever it is that they are trying to communicate to us. Signs of a healthy and balanced crown chakra are those people who are willing to be open and trust the higher source to bring us all we desire at the right time, with no room for doubt or indecision. Signs of a closed or blocked crown chakra are not trusting the higher source and having doubts, therefore not being open to receiving messages and guidance, finding it difficult to calm their minds, and they often work too hard. Signs of an overly active or open crown chakra are those who are constantly visiting clairvoyance in an attempt to change their destinies and willing change to happen, and taking hallucinating drugs in the hope that they will experience certain things and reactions. If you wish to balance the crown chakra, learn to slow down and breathe, as without focus and clarity you will not receive the answers you are searching for. Some things are simply out of your control, and the more you try to pull them towards you, the further away they will go. Everything will come to you at the right time. Avoid drinking fluorite in water and using it in toothpaste, as it blocks the pineal gland, which prevents you from communicating and receiving messages and guidance from the higher source. Fasting can also be helpful, as can meditation, if practiced on a daily basis for at least 20 minutes.